How to resolve Avast Antivirus product key not working. 3 quick solutions. Method 1. Use the right activation code. Step 1. Open the Avast Antivirus software program and click Menu on the top right side of the screen. Step 2. Select Enter Activation Code, then select Enter a valid activation code. Step 3. Enter the activation code and click Enter. Step 4. Double-check and make sure that you've entered the right activation code. Step 5. Or click Use a license file, select the Avast license file and click Open. Step 6. Select a subscription and click Continue. Method 2. Reinstall the program. Step 1. Click on the Windows search bar, type in Uninstall and open Add or Remove Programs from the result. Step 2. Under Apps and Features, search Avast Antivirus. Step 3. Click Avast Antivirus and click Uninstall. Step 4. Click Uninstall again on the pop-up window to proceed. Step 5. Click Uninstall in the Avast Antivirus window and it'll start uninstalling. Step 6. When you get the successfully uninstalled window, click Restart Computer. Step 7. Once the computer starts back up, visit the official Avast Antivirus website. Step 8. Then download and install the program. Method 3. Restart your computer. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and click the power icon on the bottom right side. Step 2. Click Restart. Step 3. Wait for the system to turn back on. Step 4. Open Avast Antivirus and see if the issue is resolved. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.